My name is Luyolo Lenga, Mdantsane raised musician, producer, arranger, and arts activist. In my calling to implant a conscious appreciation for the spiritual and the extreme social-economic issues we currently face as the people of color, I have been paying homage to the isiXhosa language and indigenous instruments, particularly in my music and collaborations for the past 25 years. I have been blessed enough to have released my EP Siphiwo Sam in 2019 and my debut album Sabela in 2020. The creative climate has been on the rise post-COVID-19, and I am looking forward to releasing my sophomore album Mvelo in September this year. In conjunction with the release of Mvelo, I have a planned tour that will have me and my band hosting concerts and workshops in 3 South African towns, namely Gqeberha, Johannesburg and Utrecht in KZN. I have been privileged enough to receive Concert SA's mobility fund that will make the tour possible. Outside of the proposed budget and support, there are a number of further logistics we need your support with, namely an extra venue with venue and sound hire fees, artist fees for 2 guest artists we would like to feature on the concerts in Johannesburg, a photographer who will capture the tour journey, further support on transport considering the extra venue and moving between workshop venues, marketing and communications, and lastly, documenting and archiving tour material. Our tour schedule goes as follows: rehearsals in Engqobo in the Transkei on the 1st to the 3rd of October, performance in Gqeberha 4th October, workshop in Sophiatown 8th October, performance in Soweto 8th October, performance in Sophiatown 9th October, workshop in KZN 11th October, performance in KZN 11th October. Considering the above, our fundraising goal is 45,000. We will appreciate your support. You can listen and further support me by purchasing and sharing my music exclusively on Bandcamp at Luyolo Lenga, and purchasing instruments namely uwadi, umkhube, umakweyana, umasengwane and the balafon, which I hand make. You can contact 071 6576 556. Donations can be made to the following bank account: bank name First National Bank, account name Gqeberha Sounds, account number 63-100-362944, branch code 210621. Or you can use our PayPal account using the email luyololenga@gmail.com. Thank you in advance for your support.